but at this moment we need to create the database for this project, and also the tables that we will be using for storing the data, the information. So basically we need to create a table, a database, and inside that we need to create the necessary folders at the moment we need in order to save categories, products, and brands and things like that. So very simply, you can go to localhost. When you write localhost, as you have already installed XAMPP, so that creates this thing. This interface is XAMPP. Inside it you can find the PHP MyAdmin. At left side you can observe below. If you click this, it will take you to this PHP MyAdmin, where you can actually manage all of your databases. You can create new database, you can delete databases, you can create tables inside the database. So this is whole the PHP MyAdmin for managing your databases, and you can directly write localhost and PHP MyAdmin in the address bar, so the same thing will appear. So here you can click this databases section. It will show you how many databases you have already inside this MySQL section, and if you want to create, just simply give write a name over here and create the database. So we will be creating a database for this project, which name will be Ecommerce basically, and the type will be collation. Just will click create. After creating the database, you can see it over here in this list as well. You can find Ecommerce and Ecommerce here. After you click this Ecommerce, so it says no tables found in database. So we need to create some tables. The first table will be for products. What we need in the product means some information that we can add the number of columns, so we can save the information and all of the columns inside this table. Table name is products. So what we actually need basically the title of the product, image of the product, category of the product, brand of the product, keywords for that product so someone can search as well, description for that product, price for that product, and a product ID will also be required. Basically we need to add 8 columns. You don't worry, we can add the columns later on, or can also remove the columns from this table, but at the moment we need 8 columns, at least 8 columns. Just click go, and after that you can make the settings for this table. So the name of the fields, the columns name will be something like this product underscore ID. This will be the first name, the first field name. Second will be the product underscore title. Third will be product underscore cat, means the category of the product. Fourth will be category brand. Actually this will be here after the product ID, and this one will be there here. And fourth will be product underscore title. After that we will say product underscore price, and product underscore DESC means description, and product underscore image, and product underscore keywords. We can add some keywords as well. We can add more some more columns as well, like product status or product date or things like that, but at the moment we will just add these 8 things. The first will be, the first column type will be integer, and the value will be 100, because this is actually the product ID. That will be, that length will be 100, and it will be auto incremented, and we will assign a primary key, so that will bring, auto increment mean it will be automatically incremented when a new record is inserted. So that's it. Product cat will also be integer, product brand will be integer, title will be 255, and varchar price will be actually integer 100 pixel, and description will be text 200 pixel, and product image will be simply text 100 pixel, and keywords will also be 200 pixels. Sorry, 200 will be the value and type will be text. That's all for this table. The field names are given. Now just come and click the save button. All will be saved. Just click it. The table is created and saved. You can check out its structure over here. This is the structure. We'll be adding or inserting data into it. Now we need to create another folder. Go to e-commerce, create another another table, categories, and we'll give it just 2 columns. Go, one will be cat underscore id, and the second one will be cat underscore title. This will be text, and first will be integer, and first one will be auto incremented and simply primary key. So we'll save category id into this and cat title to the second column. So basically the category id will be auto incremented whenever a new category will be inserted, so that will add a new number to that. Save. This is another table. One more table we need to create, brands. This will also have only two columns. Click go, brand underscore id and brand underscore title. This type will be varchar, text 255, and this 100. This will also be auto incremented and primary key brand underscore id. Save. That's it. 3 of the tables that we require at this moment in order to insert the data and display back that data on this website and main website, and the products here, the categories here, and the brands here, because these are basically static links. So we need to change this to dynamics one, and also to display products here. So for that purpose we have created these 3 tables: brands, categories, and products. And next video we will be actually first of all adding some brands and categories to these 2 tables and products to this table using a text editor, a post editor. Stay tuned.